Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change always on display wallpaper. So as you can see, this is my always on display wallpaper, my home screen wallpaper and my lock screen wallpaper. And just change my always on display wallpaper. Simply you just open your settings, scroll down, press on to display, scroll down, showing you to always on display. Make sure to turn on always on display and must be turn on show lock screen wallpaper. Just enable or disable, but not showing it to exactly changing option. So go back, open your main settings page again and you get theme option. Okay, as you can see showing it to AODS. Press on and select any wallpaper. So like I'm select this. At first need to download. Just press on to apply. Okay, press on done. Now set up this. As you can see, this is my home screen wallpaper, my lock screen wallpaper, and this is my always on display wallpaper.